With Amazon's Great Indian Festival just round the corner, here are some of the best deals that you can grab for smartphones. In this video, we'll be seeing my top picks for all the best smartphone deals on all price ranges. Do watch till the end of the video, for I will be revealing some great deals on smartphone accessories. This video will be your complete guide for the best smartphone deals on Amazon's Great Indian Festival. So without any further ado, let's get started. Starting off, let's see the best deals under 10,000 rupees. There are several good deals including Redmi 8A Dual, Redmi 9A and Redmi 9. These are some really good phones under 10,000 rupees, especially if you're on a tight budget. For those who are hunting for the best deals under 15,000 rupees, here is the Samsung M21, which is the only phone to have a Super AMOLED display under 15,000 rupees. Now, the price gets even lower. This packs some of the best features and will be the best buy on Amazon's Great Indian Festival. One of the other phones that is getting a huge price drop is Redmi Note 9 Pro. This is the only phone under 15,000 to have the Snapdragon 720G chipset. So, if you're on a budget of 15,000 rupees and has no idea on compromising the performance of the phone, this one is your best choice. Coming to the next best deal under 15,000 rupees, here is the Redmi Note 9 Prime. This phone will be having a huge price drop and will be a great mobile under 15,000 rupees with additional cashback if you're using the SGFC card. Next up, deals under 20,000 rupees. There are two great mobile phones that has unmatchable spec sheet at this price point and will be having the lowest ever price drop. The first one is the Samsung M31. With its vibrant display and a 6GB RAM, this is one of the best deals that you shouldn't miss. With Super AMOLED display, quad camera setup and a whopping 6000 mAh battery, this will be having the lowest ever price drop. And this will be a great deal to crack. And you can have the additional cashback of 1000 rupees if you are using Amazon Pay. Moving on to the second one, this is the Samsung M51. This has a mind-blowing 7000 mAh battery under the hood, and this will be ruling the segment. And a great display also adds value to this phone. This phone will be coming for around 22,499 at 2000 rupees above the 20,000 mark, which will be very reasonable price to pay considering the spec sheet. For a budget of about 20,000, there are several great options, and this is the best time in the year to buy an iPhone. The iPhone 11 comes for around 47,999. If you're planning to buy an iPhone, now is the right time. The next is the OnePlus 8 Pro, which will be having a minor price drop and will be coming for around 54,999 with a 6-month no-cost EMI options and 10% additional cashback on HDFC cards. The next up is the latest OnePlus 8T, coming for around 42,999 with exchange and HDFC offers. OnePlus 7T and OnePlus 7T Pro are still great phones that will be having a significant price drop during the Amazon's Great Indian Sale. So this is the complete guide for the best value for money offers on Amazon's Great Indian Festival. There are some really good deals on smartphone accessories like power banks and Bluetooth headsets. Amdrin's 10,000 mAh power bank is available for around 450 rupees and Urban's 10,000 mAh power bank is available for around 600 rupees. There are some really good deals, so if you're planning to buy a power bank, do check it out. Talking about the wireless headsets, the Redmi Earbuds 2C is coming for around 1,299 rupees, which is a great deal for a truly wireless earbuds. And you can find the links for all the products mentioned in this video in the description box below. So these are all the best deals that are available on Amazon right now on the Amazon's Great Indian Festival. So if you're planning to buy a smartphone or any other accessories, now is the best time of the year. The Great Indian Festival started on 17th with a 24-hour early access for the Prime members. So if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, and if you didn't, hit that dislike button twice just to be sure. And comment down below to let me know why. This is not a video sponsored by Amazon. This is in the best interest of the viewer to help you be aware of the best deals around us. So I hope that's it for the video. My name is Sanosh, this is Starboy, and I will see you in the next one. And as always, keep it real.